Hello, today I'll be showing you how to replace an iPhone 6s rear camera. First, we'll start by unscrewing the two bottom screws that are located on the bottom of the phone. Next, we'll take a heat gun and loosen up the adhesive that's between the housing and the screen. I find it easier to take off the screen from the bottom left side than to the right side, then make your way to the top. Next, we'll unscrew the four screws that are holding down the three ribbon cables. Take out the metal shielding, disconnect the three ribbon cables. Go ahead and disconnect the ribbon cable to the rear camera. Go ahead and unscrew the two screws. With a pry tool, go ahead and pry up between the camera and the metal shielding, and the metal shielding should come off. Go ahead and pry down on the bottom of the camera, and the camera should come out. Go ahead and grab your new replacement. Go ahead and put some pressure so it can go back in place. Go ahead and grab the metal shielding. Put the metal shielding back on. Then the two screws. Go ahead and connect the three ribbon cables back. Then grab the metal shielding. Put the four screws back on. Go ahead and start from the top to make your way down to the bottom. Make sure it fits in the housing. Then go ahead and put the two bottom screws back on. Thank you for watching.